In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reflection to sunglasses in Canva. Open Canva and start by opening a template. A standard Instagram post or any canvas that suits your project works fine. A blank design is perfect because we'll place everything exactly where we want it. Next, upload your main photo, the one with the person wearing sunglasses, and drag it onto the canvas. Resize it so the face and glasses are framed the way you like. Keep the important details centered so the lenses are easy to work with. Now upload your second image. This will be the scene you want reflected in the shades, like a city skyline, a beach, or any environment that matches the mood of your design. Place this second image roughly over the sunglasses area. Position it so the most interesting part of the scene sits where the lenses are, but don't stress about precision yet. Head to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Image Blender and open it. Choose the radial option. Drop the strength level to the lowest setting to keep the effects subtle and realistic. You'll see two dots appear. Move the center dot so it sits right over one lens. That's where the reflection will be strongest. Then drag the outer dot outward to feather the edges and create a natural fade across the glass. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement so the reflection follows the curve of the lens and doesn't spill too much onto the frame or skin. When it looks good, click Save to apply the blend. Now repeat the process for the other lens. Add the same reflection image again and place it so it aligns with the first reflection for a balanced look. Select it so it's highlighted, then go back to Apps, open Image Blender, and again choose Radial. Lower the strength level just like before. Position the center dot on the second lens and adjust the outer dot to match the softness of the first lens. Make small tweaks to the dots and placement until both sides look consistent and natural. When you're happy with it, click Save. To finish, zoom in and check your edges. If anything feels too bright or misaligned, nudge the reflection image slightly or refine the dots in Image Blender until the fade looks seamless. Subtlety is key with reflections. The goal is to suggest a scene without overpowering the subject. That's it. A clean, convincing sunglass reflection made entirely in Canva.